Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is type of auxiliary relay memory bit M in Mitsubishi PLC. And this is a lecture number 9, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. There are three main type of the auxiliary relays. First one is general, second is latched retentive M, and last one is special memory bit. Okay, first one is general memory bit. These memory bit are used by a programmer, but these type lose their stored value when PLC lose its main power. Okay, and second one is latched. These memory bit are used by a programmer, but these type do not lose their stored value when PLC lose its main power. Okay, both are same, but main difference is when PLC disconnected by from some main power, then this general memory relay will be lose their stored value. But in case of the latched, when PLC disconnected from power, then these memory bit do not lose their stored value. Okay, so this is the main difference between general and latched. I will also explain in software between difference between general and latched. Okay, and last one is special memory bit, also called auxiliary relay. This memory bit has special purpose as PLC designer store in it. Okay, it's a very main thing. This memory bit has special purpose as PLC designer store in it. A programmer cannot change its function, but can use same function in his program logic. Okay, this is a special memory bit, and you can see here this is a manual of Mitsubishi PLC, and this is a device number, and this is our auxiliary relay. Okay, you can also see IO relays, total input 248 points, and output relays output 248 points. But our topic is auxiliary relay, and you can see the first one is general type, as I told in my lecture, and there are 500 general auxiliary relays. Okay, another one is latched. Okay, this is a changeable, is the M500 to M1023, total 524. Okay, and this is a latched but fixed, and this is the last one special type, from M800 to M8000 to 85111, total 512. Okay, this is the auxiliary relay, and you also see about a special relays. Go to here. Okay, this is the special relays. You can see the start from 8000, M8000 and 8001. Okay, this is the permanently on when your PLC run mode, normally close contact. Okay, and M8000 is on run monitor, normally close contact. You can see here is the opposite to each other. Okay, and you can also see other memory bits like 8011 is 10 millisecond clock. It is on off duration, on time 5 millisecond, and off duration is my 5 millisecond. It's already decided by PLC designer. Okay, and let's come on the software and create a project, and PLC type is FX3U. Is a create project, please wait. Okay, now I will take a input X01. So I will use 3 memory bit for your clearing your concept about these auxiliary relays. Now I will take general auxiliary relay. M01 is a general relay, and okay, this is the one. Now I will take other one latched. type. Same I will use input x01, but I will use now M500 because we have the in manual is start from 500 is the latch one, and M500. Okay, no, last over type is special. Now I will take one example of a special memory bit M8011 is the 10 millisecond clock pulse, and I will use one output for it, M501. Okay, M01. Okay, this one M1 is the general type, M500 is latched type, and M8011 is special type. Okay, now compile the program and simulate the program. Okay, this is our PLC in on run mode. Okay, you can see first this last one was special. As we know, this is a special for 10 millisecond clock pulse, and you can see here our output is on off according to this relay. Okay, this is a already designed by designer of PLC, so we cannot change its function. Now I will on our input for just a minute. Just a second, I will on off on the our input, and you can see this that time our M1 is also on, M500 is also on. Okay, now I will stop our PLC. Again the run the PLC. You can see our general relay loss is value because it's on before stop mode, but when we again come on the run mode, its loss is power, sorry, is value, but M500 has value because is a latched. Same if you disconnect the power supply to PLC, same scenario you will see. M1 will be lowest power, M500 will be latched. Okay, you can see here. Okay, is the all the special relays names, 1 minute clock, this is the 1 second clock, and this is the 100 millisecond clock. Okay, all the special relay you can see, you can use according your program logic. If you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question in comment box. Our team will be reply you as soon as possible. Okay, bye.